Hey, beautiful people. Welcome back to another episode of Glamour for Eyes, Word of the Day. Okay, and this is the site, this is the page where we nourish your inner vision just as much as we glam up your outer vision. Okay, I'm your girl, Marquita, founder and CEO of Glamour for Eyes, where we help you see the world glamorously. One word and one pair of frames at a time. Okay. So, anyway, if you're wondering about these ultra funky cheese doodle fabulous glasses I'm rocking today, these are called cheesy. And the reason why I call them cheesy is because if you look up close, I'm a scoot in. The holes here, I mean, it's not the shape of the little holes, but it reminded me of Swiss cheese. And so I called these frames cheesy. I love these frames. And I definitely love the roundness of them. Purple is my favorite color. So cheese or no cheese, come get you some of these cheesy frames. Okay. So anyway, enough about the cheesy frames. Okay, we're going to get into our word of the day. The word of the day is alacrity. Okay, so what I want you to do after you give me a thumbs up, after you give me that or hit that like button and turn on those notifications, all of the things, I want you to get comfortable and I want you to go grab your cup of tea, cup of coffee, your snack, whatever, come back, sit down, and we're going to get into the word of the day, alacrity. What does that mean? Stay tuned. I'll be right back. So let's get into alacrity. Alacrity is a noun that means cheerful, readiness, or brisk, eager, willingness. Okay. It comes from the Latin word alacritas, meaning liveliness or eagerness. So let's keep it 100% real for a second, more down to earth. Alacrity is when someone says, "Can you help me with this?" And instead of that person groaning, I guess, their response is like, absolutely, let's go. Let's make it happen. I got you. Energy, right? It's giving you energy, positive energy, excited to show up. They're excited to serve. They're excited to work, right? They're not just, it's not like getting leftover and it's not messy and it's not tiring. They are putting off that I am happy to give you what you need type of vibe. That is what alacrity is. And that is so important, isn't it? Like, can you imagine? And I'm gonna tell you, I've been on jobs and you know who don't want to really be there, right? Don't really want to work. You see it in their attitude. You see it in their work ethic. You see it in how they just carry themselves. They don't have alacrity. They have no desire to put in work. Even what about at home or, with individuals that you might be close to, you said, "Can you help me with this? Can you do me a favor?" And next thing you know, the next sound you hear is, "Really? No, I guess." How, those kind of people. Those kind of people, but those kind of people are not welcome you know what? Yes, they are. Maybe they need to know what alacrity is because that's important. And we are going to talk about why it's important. Okay. So let's talk about why this beautiful word, little word, is something that we all need to wear, just like a pair of glasses, because it's important. I will give you 5 reasons why we need to cultivate alacrity in our business, day-to-day life. 1, it opens doors. People love working with someone who just brings great energy. So it opens those doors. When you show up with alacrity, you become memorable, magnetic, and, just a joy to be around, right? Number 2, it is contagious, people. It's just like yawning. You know how when somebody starts yawning and then the next thing you know, you're yawning and everybody else is yawning? That's exactly what alacrity is. It spreads. Your energy has the power to shift a whole room, in a workplace, in your family, everywhere. Number 3, it beats burnout, right? When you choose to approach things from a joyful readiness, like I'm here to work, even if it's tough tasks, you feel a little bit lighter. You add glitter to your to-do list a little bit, right? Like, trust me. Number 4, it aligns with purpose. It allows you to remember why you're doing what you're doing. And that reminder fuels passion. And when purpose meets energy, you're unstoppable, baby. You are unstoppable. Okay. And 5, it cultivates gratitude. When you're ready and willing, you produce gratefulness, thankfulness. That sparkle happens in your heart. And you get to say, I did this. I can do this. I did do this. And don't you feel proud? Like, for real, don't you feel proud when, even if you're second guessing yourself, but you come with positivity, and that positive energy sparked or lit under other individuals and gave them that same energy that you have, and you all accomplished things together. Or even if it was just something that you needed to do, don't you feel good about yourself? So once you catch that sparkle, how do you keep that sparkle going when life definitely throws all the fog on your lens? I'm going to tell you 5 ways on how you can maintain your alacrity in business and everyday life. 1, start with a win. Kick off your day with some small accomplishment. Even if it's just making your bed, which I suck at, or picking your bomb glasses, which I'm really good at, for the day. Okay. That momentum gets you going. I like starting my day off with prayer and reading my Bible. Excellent. Wins. 2, you want to surround yourself with uplifting people that have that same type of energy as you. Protect yours by staying close to people who clap when you win and pray when you wobble. Okay. Association is so important. 3, you want to talk to yourself like you talk to your bestie, because you are your first best friend. Affirm it. Mirror prep talks, sticky notes. These are all necessary. Try saying, I show up with alacrity. Okay. Because I'm aligned with my greatness. I don't know, whatever you want to tell yourself to pump yourself up. 4, dress the part. Yes, glasses can help you show up differently. And of course, you already know these are cheesy frames. All right. They scream playful. They say ready to slay. Remember that your look can affect your mood. My mother always used to say, don't look how you feel. Okay. Number 5, make sure you take breaks to recharge. Okay. Alacrity is not supported by laziness. You need to make sure that your cup stays full. So take rest, clean your glasses, clean your lenses, reboot your battery so that you can maintain clear vision internally. Okay. And just like your glasses need to help you see the world better, alacrity helps you see life better with clarity, hope, and joy. So reset so that you can actually show up for that assignment with a smile, a cheesy smile. Okay. And that's why these are perfect for today. Okay. The cheesy smile. Anyway, these frames, you can definitely get them on my website. They definitely say slay. They are cheerful, come with a cheese. They have positive energy. start your day off with picking out the right frames, okay? Pick out the right frames to go with that cute outfit and those cute pairs of shoes, because it matters. When you look good, you feel good. There you go. There you go. I did it. I did it. Now, if you're feeling this message, okay, if your spirit is dancing, even just a little bit, I want you to do 3 things with alacrity. Like this video, tap that like button with a smile, okay? Comment below, tell me what is one thing you're showing up for with a cheerful readiness this week, okay? With a smile. Then subscribe and share. You don't want to keep all this glam goodness to yourself, okay? Send it to your mama, your bestie, your neighbor, your ex. Not your ex. Never mind. Don't do that. That's bad. But hit that notification bell like it's a snooze button, because you know you be snoozing on Monday, okay? So hit that notification bell, subscribe, all of the things with alacrity. Positive energy, okay? All right, go ahead and do it. You did it? Okay, good. Now that we got that over with, I need you to remember, when you approach life with alacrity, you're not just getting things done, right? You're dancing through your purpose. You're blessing others with your joy, your smile, and you're making every day happy and extra. So I want you to go out there with vision, with confidence, with style. And of course, I want you to always see the world glamorously with alacrity. Okay? Thank you guys. And until next time, bye.